Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, content provider of the Pareto Network. This is Blockchain Vitals, and it's our weekend segment. Cryptos never sleep. 24/7, 365 days a year. I am a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix when trading cryptos. Everything's digitized. We're going to live in a digitized world. They're going to digitize me someday, maybe. Anyway, in that digital world, please follow us on Twitter at EndoTech_IO and at HFR from the floor. Those are our Twitter handles, and please pay attention. Follow us. We'll follow you back, and let's talk cryptos on Twitter. But let's do the rounds right now, and I do the rounds every day. We're going to keep it short tonight because we got the weekend, man. Everybody's been working for the weekend. So the only thing I want to talk about in the rounds is kind of a slow news day, but I do want to reaffirm and re-establish and re-talk about the ET-Bot Christmas present to EndoTech subscribers and our connectivity to Bitfinex. Now you can turn on the ET-Bot at Bitfinex. We are evolving the ET-Bot and have intra-bar gradual profit targets, re-entry and trade reversal signals, mixed portfolio capabilities, improved usage of leverage, new version of ET Pro orders, and a new version of ED indicators in ET Portfolio Logic. You can check it out at the blog at endotech.io, but really want to keep pressing upon the audience out there, especially the YouTube audience, now connected to Kraken and Bitfinex, and more connections coming in the new year. All right, you know what? We're going to jump right to the vitals and talk price action. So let's do that. Taking the vitals, that is the actionable part of the segment every day. And I've been spending most of the time this week talking about Ethereum. So let's talk about Ethereum. 138.49 last. And for me, we got pretty much a touch there or into the area of the average. Never really took the average out, and never for sure attempted a test of the lower momentum level. Bitcoin actually much closer to that lower momentum level than Ethereum ever got. And price action now, I said yesterday that we have a healthy slope to the momentum lines here, and that's positive, all right? That's definitely positive. And for me, I wasn't punting on some of my longer-term positions unless we got to close in lower momentum, and I was somewhat optimistic because of the slope of the lines. Now, that doesn't mean that we don't change. That doesn't change over the weekend because cryptos trade 24/7, 365 days a year. They'll trade Saturday, and by the way, it is Saturday. Good morning in Asia. It's Saturday already in Asia. Saturday and Sunday still available for trade. But right now, Ethereum looking healthy here, right? 138.22, back in upmo on the daily, solidly above its value range. Its value range 120 to 127. So year-end, I don't know if it's year-end window dressing or just people wanting to get in, but definitely showing some strength and some health. And again, that area, that Ether level 114.35 was that weekly lower momentum level. And the other thing that I've talked about on strength, 162.40. Now we actually have room on the daily chart as that upmo collar is at 172.83 to actually go test that weekly center line at 162.40 over the weekend. Sunday night, I'll be back for Blockchain Vitals, a weekly segment to talk about where these levels are next week. And then on Tuesday, what do we got? We got a new month and we got a new year. Not quite enough data to develop yearly numbers, but for sure we'll talk about the monthly as that fractal rolls. And I'll reiterate this, one time frame leads to another, and the longer term time frames are more important than the shorter term time frames from this trader's perspective. All right, so mind the mo in Ethereum, and I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. We'll cover the rest of the sheet here, and see you later, YouTube, and let's cover the rest of the sheet.